Victoria University Polytechnic is Victoria University's vocational education provider. We offer accredited courses, apprenticeships, traineeships, non-accredited short courses, and customised training programs that link closely with industry needs, skills, and jobs. We offer over 130 courses for a range of sectors, including business services and legal, communications, community services, early childhood and education support, English and preparation programs, hair, makeup and beauty, health, hospitality, tourism and events, sports and fitness, cybersecurity and digital technologies, trades and engineering. Through VU College, we also deliver English language courses, foundation studies and key higher education pathway diplomas for domestic and international students, both in Australia and in partnerships with institutions in Asia. For over 100 years, we've been evolving our education programs to meet the demands of each new generation of workers. Whether you're a school leaver, career changer, or looking to move up in your career, VU Polytechnic offers a personalised learning journey with plenty of additional services to support you in achieving your goals. Did you know that 45% of VU Polytechnic students do not speak English at home, and many are mature age students returning to study or seeking a career change? We take a contemporary approach to study. It's the VU way. Our multi-award-winning blended learning model replaces paper with user-friendly e-learning. This means you can study anytime, anywhere, while staying connected. You can refine your skills in practical face-to-face workshops, hands-on learning, and work placements. You'll gain experience using actual workplace equipment and the latest technologies. The Cybersecurity Training Centre at St Albans campus has simulated environments where you become a data hacker or cyber protector and put your skills to the test. At our newly launched Sunshine Skills Hub, the purpose-built facility has a high-tech nursing simulation lab, 3D printing facilities, and a paramedic lab fitted with an ambulance pod. These are just some of the innovative learning environments on offer. As a multi-sector provider, VU Polytechnic offers transitions between courses at all levels. We have established pathways into over 50 higher education degrees at VU, recognising the skills and knowledge you have already gained. You can study a vocational qualification at VU Polytechnic and transition into a higher education degree at VU. Higher education students at VU can choose to enhance their learning with additional skill sets at VU Polytechnic. Free TAFE for priority courses is an affordable training option. Students eligible for Victorian Government subsidised training won't pay course tuition fees for some VU Polytechnic courses if they align with skills and jobs that are in demand from Victorian employees. We have a range of partnerships that give us insight into industry trends and offer you opportunities through placement and industry connections. To play our part in containing the spread of COVID-19, we have transitioned on-campus courses to flexible digital learning. Teachers are equipped with innovative learning strategies to support you at home. Practical and hands-on learning and assessments that cannot be conducted remotely are being delivered on campus so you can continue progress. We have implemented tightly controlled safety measures to ensure student and community well-being on campus.